everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your MeetMe account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Now click on your profile in the top right corner. Scroll down your screen and tap on Settings option. Here you can see the Delete Account option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, click on the Yes button. Here you'll have to enter the email that you had logged in with. Then tap on Delete Account option. So that is how you can delete your MeetMe account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.